Welcome to the NEA Organizing Fellowship Academy webinar. My name is Latoya Johnson. I am in the Center for Organizing Affiliate Support, and I am joined with Mark Simons, Zone 1 Director. So the focus of the program is to train selected members on how to be organizers, increase the pipeline for members into UniServe work, and assist states in diversifying their UniServe workforce.
So we've had a lot of questions about what is NOFA. The focus of NOFA is really to train you on how to be an organizer. The other part of NOFA is that you'll be with other fellow members who are transitioning from governance to staff. So you really kind of establish a cohort of individuals going through this program. You'll understand the skills needed to be successful is the expectations around the work. So staff work is long hours. There's frequent driving requirements. There's frequent travel, both in-state and out of state. There's a lot of behind the scenes work, and it's really an opportunity, a challenging work opportunity for personal growth. So please note that if you are applying for NOFA, you're applying to become a future staff person within the association. So for personal expectations, please note that if you are accepted into NOFA, you must resign from all governance positions, both local, state, and national. You'd be hired by your individual state affiliate. Now, each state, however, does this differently. So some states are able to work out an agreement with your employer for you to take a leave of absence, and then the state would just reimburse your individual employer for your salary and your benefits. However, you may not be able to secure a leave of absence, and should that occur, you would have to make a decision as to whether or not you chose to resign from your employment. Please note that each individual state would work this out separately. Our expectation is that your salary and your benefits would be what you are currently making. However, retirement, again, depends on your individual state. Some states do not allow for the employer to reimburse you for your lost time in retirement. So please note that it really depends on your individual circumstance. But the focus is that for you to be working full time as a fellow with your state affiliate.
During the year, NEA provides 1 year full-time release fellowship. The 2023-2024 fellowship will begin this year, September 5th, and conclude July 31st, 2024. There will be a coach assigned from NEA Center for Organizing and Affiliate Support, and trainings include transitioning from governance to staff, organizing, one-to-one conversations, implicit bias, interviewing skills, and more. NEA also provides field experience opportunities in all NEA zones. Some of the past experiences have been in Massachusetts, Washington, Iowa, Texas, North Carolina, and we also provide mock interviews to help you prepare for jobs that are available in state affiliates. We will also support fellows hired during the NOFA program year. NEA will provide a coach assigned from NEA Center for Organizing Affiliate Support Department, also someone who's familiar with NEA UniServe competencies. Provide the fellow and mentor with feedback in real time on performance, and support the mentor in their role of supporting the fellow.
So some of the other pieces that the state affiliate will provide is they will assist you in achieving a leave of absence from your individual district. We have sample memorandums of understanding that we would provide to the state affiliate so that they would have information on how to secure that with your individual local. The state is also responsible for having a mentor. Now, this would be an individual staff member who you would be working with one-on-one throughout the entire year of your fellowship. The state is also responsible for in-state training, opportunities, and experiences. So some states may wish for you to receive additional training on bargaining, for example. The state would be responsible for providing that. The state is also responsible for the compensation that you would receive. So however that is worked out with your individual district or with the individual state affiliate, the state affiliate would be responsible for paying your individual salary and benefits. And lastly, the state would also be providing access to interviews, both internal as well as external outside of your individual state, if you are interested. Some dates to remember. Please note that applications are due on they will open on February 24th, and they're due on March 31st. The individual states will receive all applicants, and then they will decide which applicants they will move forward for NEA to screen, and then decide should NEA interview individual candidates. We will be conducting those interviews on May 8th through the 12th. And then on May 17th, we'll be notifying the state presidents as well as state executive directors of our selections. You will be notified if you've been accepted or not accepted into the program on May 19th. And then we ask that you would have your leave of absence secured by June 16th. However, we understand that there may be times where there'll be a little bit of extra time for you to work out. Either a school board is having a hearing on that, or a meeting later on. So we understand that we are flexible on that June 16th deadline. Lastly, if you have any questions whatsoever that we weren't able to answer in this webinar, please feel free to send an email to nofa@nea.org. And one of our 18 members will get back to you as soon as possible. Please note that you can also go to www.nea.org/NOFA to get additional information on the program. Thank you.